How's it going? It's another pad review we have today. It's Static V2 by Klymit. This is one I personally have and I personally really recommend because not only it's very portable, lightweight, and easy inflate. It's also really good for like backpacking. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and 10 to 15 breaths, a really quick inflate. And not only is it really good, the value is absolutely stunning. And it's got a nice fabric on this side with these special V air chamber designs that keep it in. And there's a patent holding on this too. And on the other side, this fabric is a little thicker to keep it so it's like durable and then make sure it doesn't like slip or anything. So I honestly have this personally and I love it. And not only, it also comes with a patch kit. And you see this, guys, unlimited lifetime warranty. So lifetime warranty. So if it gets beyond repairs, turn it in, get a fresh new one. And this air mattress is actually really good for side sleepers that people just sleep just like, face up. And it's a very small, it's about, it's a pretty good size, 72 inches this way and a 23 inches this way. And it's about 2.5 inches off, like this way height when fully inflated. And it's really good, guys. Honestly, this is my personal favorite. I love this, and 16.3 ounces, and it's a very high quality mat. I personally recommend it. And that's it today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, campers.